In this video, I'll show you how to get a new Bitcoin address with Cash App. By the way, later I'll show you guys the best way for even complete beginners to buy, sell, store, and exchange crypto. You don't want to miss that, so watch this video to the end. Cash App regularly updates Bitcoin wallet addresses to help protect user privacy and strengthen security, so it's completely normal if your address changes over time. However, if you want to manually get a brand new Bitcoin address, you can do this directly inside the app by resetting your Bitcoin wallet. Start by opening Cash App and tapping on the Bitcoin tab from the home screen. From there, go into your Bitcoin settings and look for the option to delete or reset your existing Bitcoin wallet. When you confirm this action, your current wallet will be removed. After that, Cash App will automatically create a new Bitcoin wallet for you, and with it, you'll be assigned a fresh Bitcoin address that you can use to receive payments. This process is designed to improve privacy, reduce tracking, and give you better control over your Bitcoin activity. As promised, if you're looking for the easiest way to buy, sell, store, and swap crypto, I recommend checking out Rock Wallet. It's a super cool app that lets you stay in complete control of your crypto, since it's non-custodial. Even if you've never bought any kind of cryptocurrency before, and you're not tech-savvy at all, Rock Wallet will walk you through it, step by step. You can install the app for free, using the link in the description below. If you would like help installing Rock Wallet and creating your account, click the video showing up on your screen. It's a detailed tutorial walking you through the exact steps to setting up and using Rock Wallet.